gihapon, nabungol gyapon ka. So, walay gamit nga nipalit kag hearing. Hi! To those who are planning to buy their first hearing aids, this video might be helpful for you. If we haven't met yet, hello, my name is Danica. I am hearing impaired and I've been using my hearing aids for over 7 years now. This is my second hearing aids and I just want to share with you guys my regrets when I bought my first one. So you won't make the same mistakes as I did. And just a disclaimer, I am no expert in this field and I'm just speaking based on my experience, okay? So the first one, you have to have your hearing test result ready. Most hearing aid stores, they offer free hearing test because mo na siya ang basis nila para makasuggest sila what's the best hearing aids for you. So I think you already know, di ba, daghan mang klase-klase sa hearing aids. So for example, na ay behind the ear, which is what I'm using right now, like this. Kana siya. This could cater to a wide range of hearing loss. So from mild to profound, makadungog ra siya ka as in clear kaayo. There's also completely in the ear canal which is more discreet, dili siya makita. But then since lain-lain man sila og functions, our audiologist will be able to choose the right and most fitted hearing aid for us. So, mo na siya nga kailangan ready na yung mga hearing test results when you purchase your hearing aids. So, secondly, it would also be helpful if mag-ask ka prior to purchasing kung unsa ilang aftercare service. Like for example, unsa ang warranty, unsa included ana, or if your unit should needs to be repaired, how long would it take, or asa ang service center. So inana. And also you may ask if they have free cleaning services or free adjustments like every time na it changes sa imong grado, either if it fluctuates up or down. And that siya, no? So, number three, if you are in a budget, it would also really be beneficial for you if you could ask for their mode of payment. Like if they would accept installment plan, or if they would accept post-dated checks, or if straight cash lang. So, kana siya. So, for example, if ready na ka, kahibaw na ka what type of hearing aids you gonna need, and then okay na ka sa ilahang warranty or aftercare service, and the budget is not a question, so ready na ka mag-purchase. But before you do that, mao ni siya ang sayop jud nako pagpalit nako sa akong primero nga hearing aids. Ang nahitabo man good is gitest nako ang item pero pagkabantay nako na wala ra gani siya changes, like walay difference if na ako hearing aids or wala. And then I asked them ngano, and then they told me na dili siya nakaprogram sa ako ang grado, and they said na the only time they can program it is when ma-purchase na dyan ako ang item. So, ako sad, since I don't know any other stores in Cebu na nagbaligya og hearing aids, or kulang lang jud ko sa research, ni go through sad ko. So, after at a few weeks maybe, I went back to the store, purchased two units, so for my left and right. And after that, i-program nila, pero same ra jud siya as in, and the only change is makahear lang kag more background noise. But ang pinaka-importante, which is the spoken voice, is walay klaro. Like, mura ra gihapon, nabungol gyapon ka, so walay gamit nga nipalit kag hearing aid. And ako ra isa nipalit. So murag wala ko ma-sharean sa akong sentiments or sa akong concern, ana gani. And maulaw ko na moingon nga pwede i-cancel, pwede ka na magpa-refund na lang ko or something like that. So, mo to siya, sayang jud kaayo. And then murag napugos na lang ko ba kay imo na bang gibayran, gi-issuehan na ba kag resibo. So, mo to siya. And I don't want the same thing will happen to you. maayo ra gani sa kini siya nga hearing aids akong gigamit karon. I was able to test it and then ila jud gi-make sure na ang program kay base jud sa ako ang needs, base sa akong hearing test results. And pagkadungog jud nako na as in very very clear jud kayo ang spoken words. So lipay jud kayo ko smart nakaingon jud ko na jud ay pag-asa. Because initially I thought na I would need another surgery para maka-hear better. But this hearing aids really gave me hope. So muna siya, it's really best na you go to a store who are really expert on their products. Make sure na there's someone who really knows what you need para you will get the best experience out of the item that you purchased. Kay dili ba ya joke ang price sa hearing aids? Like, ang ranges karon is around 40 to 200,000.
What?
So, inana na jud siya kamahal karong panahon na. So, better make sure na inyo jud siyang i-test and then completely satisfied mo sa product before mo mobayad. You could also do your own research, like find as many stores you can and then visit them before you settle down to the final one wherein mag-purchase na jud ka. So, muna siya guys. So again, just to sum it up, have your hearing test result ready, inquire about their aftercare or warranty, and then third, mode of payment, and lastly, test the product before finally purchasing it. Okay? So, wala na siya guys. And then, if you have some questions for me, feel free to comment down below and I would love to answer them. And also, if it's not much to ask, please do subscribe on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!